dividing fractions is a little bit tricky. When you're dividing fractions, I only say it's tricky because you do have to kind of change the problem. The good news is when you change the problem, you're actually changing it to a multiplication of fractions problem, which makes it way easier. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this together. Let me get my color marker. So y'all, when we're talking about dividing fractions, there's actually a cool little 3-word phrase that if you remember it, it'll help you solve any of these problems and make it super easy to just multiply them at the end. Those 3 words are keep, change, flip. What I mean by keep, change, flip, that's actually what you're going to be doing to each part of this problem. Keep means I keep the first fraction the same. This is 3/8. It stays the same. It comes down as 3/8. The second word is change. To change, we need to change my sign. It was division. I change it to multiplication. Remember, you can only change division into multiplication. We are not changing multiplication into division. We are not. So I changed my division into multiplication. And the last word is flip. Keep this the same, change my sign to multiplication, then flip the last fraction over. This was 5/9. I flip it to make 9/5. So y'all, after you've done the keep, change, flip, you notice this is no longer a division problem. It's a multiplication problem like you just learned about in the first video. Since this is a multiplication of fractions problem, all you need to do now to solve this, top times top, bottom times bottom. So after I change it using keep, change, flip, I need to multiply 3 times 9 equals 27 over 8 times 5, which is 40. So all the way back to the top, 3/8 divided by 5/9 is actually 27/40. Second question I have here. I'm going to do this one a little bit faster. If you need the steps again, please rewind and watch the first part of this video. Keep this the same. Change my sign. Not division anymore. Now it's multiplication. Flip my last fraction over. I had 2/4. Now I make it 4/2. Now, hey, easy multiplication problem. 6 times 4 is 24. 12 times 2 is also 24. So 6/12 divided by 2/4 actually equals 24/24, which hopefully we know is actually just 1 whole. I will accept either answer if you get a problem like this, 24/24 or 1 whole. Those are both correct. Again, y'all, please email me if you have any questions.